Today, I'm going to share with you a delicious recipe for migas. To make this tasty dish, you'll need 12 large eggs, 1 to 4 cups of milk, ground cumin, fine sea salt, freshly cracked black pepper, olive oil, a small white onion, a jalapeño, garlic, corn tortilla chips, salsa, shredded Mexican blend cheese, and your favorite. Toppings like cilantro, red onion, avocado, tomato, and extra salsa. To start, whisk together the eggs, milk, cumin, salt, and pepper in a large bowl. Set it aside and then heat olive oil in a large sauté pan over medium-high heat. Add the diced onion and chopped jalapeño and sauté for 5 minutes until the onion is soft and translucent. Then add the garlic and sauté for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes fragrant. Next, add the egg mixture to the pan and reduce the heat to medium. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring frequently until the eggs are completely scrambled. Then stir in the crumbled tortilla chips, salsa, and cheese, and cook for an additional 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. If needed, taste and season with extra salt and pepper. Finally, serve the migas warm, garnished with your desired toppings. This delicious dish is perfect for any time of day and is sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy!